Welcome to the 7th edition of a video series on the construction of Enyimba Plaza, an ultra-modern shopping complex in Aba, the commercial city of Abia State. It's now 2 weeks since my return to the UK where I'm based. In the last episode, I promised that I will continue uploading updates on the progress of the project, notwithstanding the distance. It turned out that the video quality of the coverage by a family member isn't of good resolution, so please bear with me over the next 2 or so episodes. Resolution will surely improve as I plan to send them a better quality recording device. Having said that, let's crack on and make do with what we have. At the end of episode 6, the carpenters were building the chain lintel formwork. 2 weeks in, the lintel has been casted and the entire ground floor block work has been completed too. The carpenters have now moved on to constructing the formwork of the columns, the staircase at the rear side, as well as the rest of carpentry works to support casting of the decking. Marine boards were used to construct the decking slab base. This came out to be a much more expensive option compared to using planks. However, there are more advantages in using the marine boards. For one, they are faster to be laid out. They also make smoother finishing, and if carefully handled, can be reused up to 2 or 3 times as much as the planks. Perhaps the most winning argument in favor of using marine board is that they are much wider with lower number of joints on the slab formwork, so has less leakage points. This is very important because water leaking out of fresh concrete interferes with the normal curing or hardening process, which weakens the concrete structural strength. After positioning the marine boards, we lay the waterproof barrier to protect the boards and as such prolong the lifespan of the board. Waterproofing is to also prevent water from leaking out of the concrete mixture when freshly poured. Keep in mind, as highlighted earlier, that maintaining the correct level of moisture in the concrete within the first 24 hours of its mixture is critical to its hydration, which is the chemical transformation process cement and water go through to properly cure or harden. As the carpentry works and waterproofing is going on, the iron benders were around to lay out the rods, following all technical procedures except for not wearing proper PPEs. The shops will have recessed LED lights all through, so it was a good time for the electrician to install requisite electrical conduit pipes and our own fabricated housing for the LED lights prior to casting. You don't want to start chiseling away concrete after the decking. That brings us to the end of this update. Apologies once more for the poor resolution of the video. If you've just discovered this series, it is a good idea to watch previous episodes. A link to the playlist will pop up at the end of the screen. Please subscribe to the channel if you find the content helpful. Join me again in the next one. Like and share. All the best.